talking about terms related to the hyperbola. Topic is terms related to the hyperbola. मैंने ये बेसिक चीजें बता दिया था, राइट, अबाउट हाइपरबोला. नाउ टर्म्स related to the hyperbola. This is a very important topic for us. We know about the basic, then we understood every question. So x square minus y square, x square by a square upon minus b y square by b square equal to 1 hyperbola. So now you know now how the diagram look like. This slide diagram. This is a y-axis, this is a x-axis, right? So can you say the Tanishq, x-axis is called? Can you say x-axis is called? This is a transfer axis, right? Axis. X-axis is called transfer. This is a conjugate axis. Now this is a latest rectum. Latest rectum passes through first. So let focus is a comma 0. A comma 0 is the focus, and L dash is the latest rectum. And this is the center, right? C is the center. 0 comma 0 is the center, right? And let GB is the coordinate 0 comma B, and this will be coordinate B dash. Let 0 comma minus B, and this is the vertex, that is A comma 0. Let A coordinate, that is A comma 0, and this will be minus A comma 0, that is A dash, right? And let A also one latest rectum L1 and L1 dash. Voice is audible to you? So minus A comma 0 is the second focus H dash. My voice is audible to you? Just confirm. L and L dash is the latest rectum that is passes through always focus. Focus coordinate is A comma 0, similar like ellipse, and the center is 0 comma 0, vertex A comma 0 and minus A comma 0, and H dash also focus is minus A comma 0, and X axis is called transfer axis and Y axis is called conjugate axis. Now first point is center coordinate will be 0 comma 0, center coordinate 0 comma 0. Now second is length of transfer axis, that is A and A dash. Length of transfer axis, that is A and A dash. A dash will be 2A, right? Now similarly can say the length of conjugate axis, that is B dash, so that will be 2B, right? So length of conjugate axis, that is B dash, equal to 2B. We need to remember these things because this is a very important topic to understand the hyperbola. Fourth point is foci coordinate will be A comma 0 and minus A comma 0. S coordinate is A comma 0 and S dash is minus A comma 0. Now distance between foci, can you say distance between foci, Minal? Distance between foci, Tanishq, can you say distance between foci? What will be the distance between foci? S dash, that is 2A, right? S dash, it means 2AE, right? Now equation of directrix. So let to this, and this is the directrix line. This is the directrix line. This is a directrix. Coordinate will be x equal to a by e for this directrix, and for this x equal to minus a by e, x equal to minus a by. So this coordinate is a by e comma 0 and minus a by e comma 0 and a by e comma 0. So distance directrix equation is equation of directrix x equal to, you can say, plus minus a by e, x equal to plus minus a by e. So you need to remember. And distance between directrix, distance between directrix, that is 2a by e, 2a by e. Let n and n dash, so n dash equal to 2a, distance n dash equal to 2a. Now we need to find the coordinate of lattice rectum, in point of extremities of lattice rectum. So what will be the extremities of in point of lattice rectum? So we know now x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the equation of ellipse. And now we know that that is the coordinate, x coordinate L is a comma 0 a, right? So put x equal to a. So after solving, a square e square upon a square minus b y square by b square equal to 1, right? So get e square minus 1 is equal to y square by b square. So y square equal to b square e square minus 1. So y equal to plus minus root under, so plus minus b root under e square minus 1. Or we can write, we apply this formula, b square equal to a square e square minus 1. So e square minus 1 will be b square by a square equal to e square minus 1. So now get y is equal to b square by a plus minus b square by a. Got it? So end point of lattice rectum, that is L is a comma b square by a, and L dash is a comma minus b square by a, and L1 is minus a comma b square by a, and L1 dash is minus a comma minus b square by a. So you got four coordinate of lattice rectum, that is lattice rectum always passes through focus. So x coordinate is a comma and minus a comma, and y coordinate is b square by a plus minus, right? So get the fourth coordinate. Please read, try to remember. Everything is similar like ellipse. Everything. Every terms. Any doubt? Anyone? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So please remember, I will give the question on this topic. Try to solve, everyone. So I am writing question. basic question. Question number first. Equation of the hyperbola. The equation of the hyperbola whose axis is along the coordinate axis. The length of latus rectum is 8 and eccentricity is 3/√5. आपको फाइंड करना है इक्वेशन ऑफ इलिप्स. आपको सारे इंफॉर्मेशन latus rectum and eccentricity is given and axis is along the coordinate axis. इसमें x axis is transverse axis and y axis is conjugate axis. Solve everyone. Tanishq, are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Good. Minal, please do that. Isha, are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Are you doing?
Sir, doing.
Very basic. Apply these basic things. We can solve easily. Distance between directors is given. It means 2a by e is equal to 8 is given and e is also given. So we get b. We need to find a and b, right? A square and b square. Get the equation of hyperbola in a standard form, right? So find out a square and b square. Get the answer. Anyone got the answer? Tanishq, you got the answer?
Not yet, sir.
What? Length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is 8. Sorry. So it means 2b square by a is equal to 8, right? And e is equal to 3/√5 given. Find out. So anyone got? Aditi, you got the answer? So b square by a, I'm sorry, b square by a 4, right? B square is equal to 4a. Now apply this formula every time. B square equal to a square e square minus 1. So now we can replace b square equal to 4a, right? So 4a is equal to a square into e square minus 1. We know now e is equal to 3/√5 is given, right? So put the a equal to 3/√5. Get the a. value. So 4 equal to 8 times 3 by 5 minus 1. So get 4 is equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 5. So A is equal to 10. Got it? So you got the, I think A is equal to 9 by 5, no? Yeah, 9 by 5. So 4A by 5. So get A is equal to 5. A equal to 5. Now apply get B square is 4 times A, right? So B square is equal to 20 and A square equal to 25. So equation of ellipse will be x square by A square, that is 25 minus y square by B square equal to 20 equal to 1. So this is the answer for this question. So now understood everyone? Did you answer same answer? Shy? Clear? Now I am writing one more question. Question is similar type question. The equation of hyperbola whose length of conjugate axis is 5 and distance between foci is 13 is। फिर से आपको इसका इक्वेशन हाइपरबोला का बताना है। उसमें गिवन है लेंथ ऑफ कॉन्जुगेट एक्सिस इज 5 एंड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन फोकस इज 13। You can do this is a very easy question. Please do that, everyone. Everyone got the answer for question number 2? Sai, you got the answer? Can you say the answer, anyone? Question number 2, answer. Aditi, you got? The equation of, yeah, okay, good. So given is the equation of the hyperbola whose length of conjugate axis is 5. Length of conjugate axis is 5. It means given is 2b equal to 5. So get b equal to 5 by 2, right? Now Given is distance between foci is 13. It means 2AE is equal to, given is 13. So AE is equal to 13 by 2, right? So apply this formula, B square equal to A square, 1 E square minus 1. So get B square equal to A square E square minus A square. So B square is 25 by 4 minus equal to A square by square 169 upon 4 minus A square. Get A square is equal to 144 by 4, right? So A square got, B square is also got. B square is 25 by 4. So equation of ellipse will be x square by A square, that is 144 by 4 minus y square by 25 by 4 equal to 1. Got it? Or you can write as a x square by 144 minus y square by 25 is equal to 1 by 4. So this will be the answer for this question. Everyone got the same answer? Everyone? I think. Any doubt? Anyone? Any doubt? Tanish? Doubt है?
No, sir.
Shrisha? 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 Shrisha is here. Okay. Do that third question. This question is asked in IIT. This is a PYK question previous year. A hyperbola has axis along the coordinate axis. Latest rectum is 8. Latest rectum is 8 is means length of latest rectum is given. That is 2b square by a equal to 8. And length of conjugate axis is half of the distance between the foci. It means that 2b is equal to half of 1 by 2 distance between foci is 2a. मतलब given is 2b is equal to a. Find the eccentricity. Find out eccentricity and say the answer, everyone. Are you doing? Srisa? Aditi, you got the answer? How do, or can't?
No, sir.
Okay, do that. Easy question. Apply the basic concept. Which option is correct? Anyone? Let's say A option, B, C, D. Which option will be correct for question number 3rd? Tanishq, are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Srisha?
Sir, doing.
Srisha? Okay, do that. Sai, are you doing? Aditi, you got the answer? Anyone? Menal? Where is it, sir? Only
So what's the
apply the
final?
basic concept. Option, which option is correct? A, B, C, D. Aditi, you got the answer, which option? A is the correct option for this question. Let me show.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes,
Sir, is it A?
yes, A. A is the correct option. Good. Very good. You got the answer. Anyone who not got the answer? Srisha, you got the answer, A? Or I
Yeah,
need
sir.
to, okay. I need to discuss.
No, sir.
Okay. Minal, you got the answer? Anyone didn't get the answer? Yes, are you saying something? Who is saying? Say, who is saying? Please let me know if you have doubt. So, but आपको given क्या? Basically, in this question, given a length of let us the hyperbola has axis along the coordinate axis and length letter sectum is 8. Letter sectum 8, it means given again 2b square by a is equal to 8, right? So b square by a is equal to 4. So b square equal to 4a. B square equal to 4a. One relation got. And also given is second is given length of conjugate axis is half of the distance between foci. So length of conjugate axis is 2b is equal to given is half of distance between foci, that is 2ae. So get the 2 to cancel out. So b is equal to ae by 2, or you can 2b is equal to ae, right? So apply this formula, b square equal to a square, e square minus a square. Get the answer. So b square is equal to 4b square minus a square, right? And we know now is b square equal to 4a, right? Apply these things. So now we can say a square is equal to 3b square, right? A square equal to 3b square. And now apply 3 and 6, 3, and eccentricity is 4/3. आपको हाइपरबोला का इक्वेशन बताना है। आपको गिवन क्या है? फोकई गिवन है हाइपरबोला का एंड इसेंट्रिसिटी गिवन है, राइट? Everyone do that and say the answer. I'm writing option. You can easily say which option is best. Everyone, say the answer. Which option is correct? I will ask from anyone. Please do that. Aditi, you got the answer. Which option is correct?
Option 3.
Option 3. Option 3 is not correct. Option. Check once again. Made mistake. Little mistake. See carefully the option. See the carefully option. Can you say the transfer axis along the which axis, x and y axis, which x or y? Transfer axis along the x axis or y axis? Minal, can you say?
X-axis, sir.
Yes, good. Very good. So we need to find the center now. So center is the midpoint of foci, right? So apply the midpoint formula, right? So get the center. Got it? So if you apply the midpoint, get the center is so actually 0,3. Sorry, one mistake. Sorry. For this question, this is 0,3. Coordinate is 0,3. Not 6,3, 0,3. So center will be given is focus is 8,3 and second focus let S and S dash is 0,3. So center is the midpoint of foci, right? So center coordinate is that is 8 plus 0, 4,3, right? 4,3. So we know now how to write the if center is known. So now we need to find B square and A square, right? So can you say 2AE is distance between foci is equal to 8, right? So get AE is equal to 4, right? A is equal to 4. Now apply B square equal to A square, E square minus A square. So get B square plus A square is equal to 16. One equation and E is given, right? E is given. So A into E is 3 by 4, na? 4 by 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 3. E is equal to 4 by 3 into equal to 4. So A is equal to 3, right? So B square is equal to 16 minus 9, that is B square equal to 7. B square equal to 7 and A square is equal to 9. So equation of the hyperbola is x minus center coordinate alpha, right? if center is 0, 0, then that equation x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. If center is alpha, beta, writing the concept, मैंने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा चुका हूँ जब सेंटर अल्फा कोमा बीटा इलिप्स में राइट इफ सेंटर इज 0, 0, then equation of hyperbola in standard form x square minus y square by b square equal to 1. If center coordinate is alpha, beta, then equation of hyperbola will be x minus alpha square by a square minus y minus beta square by b square equal to 1. Similar concept in the ellipse also, right? And also in the parabola also. Same concept. So now equation of parabola x minus alpha is 4, right? So x minus 4 square upon a square, that is 9, minus y minus 3 square upon 7 equal to 1. Which option is correct? B. B option is correct. Everyone got the answer? Clear? Concept is clear? Center is always a midpoint of focus. We need to remember. And if slope is 0, in slope of foci S and S dash is equal to 0, it means that the transfer axis is along the x-axis and conjugate axis along the y-axis. So given point coordinate of foci is 0, 3 and 8, 3. So slope equal to 0. So transfer axis is x-axis. And apply the basic distance between foci, that is 2a is equal to 8, right? Apply the distance formula SS dash, get the 8. Now, every times you can apply this thing. B square equal to a square minus a square. Now, all are basic question about hyperbola. Now, next question: locus of the point of intersection. Locus of point of intersection of two line equation is given. Root under 3x minus y is equal to 4 root 3k and k root 3x plus ky minus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 is equal to 0 is a hyperbola whose eccentricity आपसे पूछा गया, eccentricity E equal to please everyone do that. Everyone doing? Tanishq, are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Tanishq, are you doing?
Yes, sir. I'm just trying.
Okay. Uh, Srisha,
Sir,
do that. Okay. Do that. Eliminate the k value. K is the variable, so we need to eliminate the k value. Get the locus, and if get the locus will be the hyperbola equation. So get the a square and b square. So if you get the a square b square, apply the b square equal to a square into a square minus 1. Get the e value. Try to eliminate the k value from equation 1 and 2, line 1 and line 2. Get the locus. Anyone got the answer? Which option is correct? Aditi, can you say which option is correct? Sai, Sai, Srisha, anyone got the answer?
yes, sir.
Okay, do that. Minal, आपको इक्वेशन 2 से के वैल्यू निकाल फाइंड आउट करके आपको यू कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट इन द इक्वेशन 1 गेट द locus root 3x minus y is equal to 4 root 3 into 4 root 3 by root 3x plus y. Now cross multiply, get 3x square minus y square is equal to 48. So now divide by 48, get the x square by 16 minus y square by 48 equal to 1. Got it? Now apply the b square equal to a square e square minus 1. B square is 48 equal to 16 e square minus 1. Get 4 is equal to e square minus 1. Sorry, 3 is equal to. So e square is equal to 4. So e is equal to 2. E is equal to 2. So which option is correct? B option is correct. For hyperbola, E, we know na E is greater than 1 for hyperbola. So E is equal to 2 is the correct option for this question. Anyone got the same answer? I'm writing very famous question that is asked in IIT many times. On this question asked in many times in IIT exam. If the foci of the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by b square equal to 1 and the hyperbola that is x square by 144 minus y square by 81 equal to 125 1 upon 25 coincide, then the value of b square is, आपसे value of b square पूछेगा. Please do that, everyone. Tanishq, did you समझ में आया क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन समझ में आया?
नहीं सर.
Basically the foci of the ellipse, जो ellipse का foci है, that will be AE, जो focus होगा ellipse का AE, and hyperbola का जो focus होगा, let A focus coordinate is for ellipse is S is for ellipse AE, so AE and for hyperbola is equal. If given is, if the foci of the ellipse and the hyperbola is coincide, it means coordinate of focus is same for ellipse and hyperbola. Is saying it means for ellipse आप क्या लिखते हैं? Ellipse foci is equal to AE comma 0, right? So now for let for hyperbola foci A1 comma E1 comma 0, right? A1 E1 comma 0, and given is coincide, foci is coincide, it means given ki A is equal to A1 E1. This is the given. So now we can apply now for ellipse. For ellipse, we know now B square equal to A square 1 minus E square, right? So find out the E square, A square, so get B square equal to A square minus A square E square, so get A square E square is equal to A square minus B square. Now if you apply the for the hyperbola, for hyperbola B square equal to A square E square minus 1, so get A square E square, A square E square is equal to A square plus B square, right? So now because AE this is the equal, so A square E square equal to A1 square E1 square also equal, so it means A square minus B square equal to A square plus B square. A square B square, it means I am saying ki B1 A1 लिख देता हूँ, A1 B1 कर देता हूँ. So this will the equal, right? So for so we need to remember this concept. A square minus B square is equal to A1 square plus B1 square. A square किसका है? It means ellipse का. So A square is 25 given, right? For ellipse 25 is given, minus B square, we need to find B square, right? Is equal to A1 is, can you say the for the hyperbola A1 is equal to A1 square equal to 144 upon 25, right? And B1 square is 81 upon 25, right? So get the B square equal to 25 minus B square is equal to 5 to 2 by 25, that is 9, right? So B square is equal to 16. B square equal to 16. Got the answer. So we need to remember these things. If foci is coincide, this formula we need to remember directly. We can answer this question like this question. A square minus B square is equal to A1 square plus B1 square. We know now how to get the answer. Apply the basic concept, that is B square equal to A square 1 minus A square for ellipse, and for hyperbola B1 square equal to A1 square E square minus 1. Everyone understood? Everyone? Any doubt? Aditi? Doubt है? Aditi?
नहीं sir.
Okay. Minal?
No, sir.
Minal? Understood?
Yes,
Minal,
sir.
sir?
Understood.
Okay. Sai? Srisha?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Understood? Okay, good. We can do that now, like that question. Foci is coincide. So how to answer? So we need to remember indirectly within the 30 second. We can write. If you remember this equation, we get the answer in within the 10 to 20 second. Now I'm writing one more question. You can do that. This is last question for this today class. Find the equation of the hyperbola A refer to its principal axis of coordinate whose vertex at plus minus 5 comma 0 foci plus minus 7 comma 0. Please do that. आपको क्या find करना है? Equation of the hyperbola given क्या है? Principal axis is coordinate axis whose vertex, it means a comma 0 is given, right? Vertex is a comma 0, right? Plus minus a comma 0, and foci is a comma 0. We can do that, I think. Everyone do that. No. I will start the next topic, auxiliary circle parametric equation of hyperbola in the next class. And point position of a point, condition, equation of chord joining. I will start in the next class, auxiliary circle and parametric equation of hyperbola. Everyone got the answer? Very easy question. Given is a is equal to 5, right? A is equal to 5 given है and A is equal to 7 given है, right? So we can find easily. So B square बस find करना. So B square is equal to A square E square minus 1. So A square E square minus A square. So that is A square is 49 minus A square is 25 equal to 24. So x square by A square, it means 25 minus y square by B square, that is 24 is equal to 1. This is the equation of hyperbola. Answer for this question.